Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft today has actually acknowledged a bug that is happening in Windows lately. Some people are wondering why at shutdown, when they want to shut down their PC, that shutdown part here with the little dots rolling around is so slow. Microsoft has acknowledged that it is actually a bug within Windows. And what happens is the background services that are checking for App Store updates for the Microsoft Store, the Windows updates, all of that could be responsible. And that the problem is basically your PC is looking for updates of all sorts, and the computer can't shut down as long as that is being done. And for some people, that is a long, long time. So this means that Microsoft should technically be looking into this issue and fixing it at some point. They say that it affects pretty much everybody, but not all the time. Some shutdowns can be real fast, and then suddenly you do a shutdown and it's real long. And that is because it's doing a task. And so it's holding on to the Windows operating system, preventing it from shutting down, preventing it from doing anything else, as long as it's not finished its tasks. So if you've been plagued with some of the slow shutdown times or even restarts, it all affects both the shutdown and the restart times of Windows 11 and apparently Windows 10 too. It is due to that bug, and Microsoft did acknowledge that this has been happening for quite a while. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.